We all grow older, our skin wrinkles, our hair turns gray, and our bodies slow down. But have you ever wondered why we age? Why can't the body just keep repairing itself forever? Today, we'll uncover the biological clockwork that drives aging and why scientists say it's both inevitable and surprisingly controllable. Before we continue, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing as we grow together. Thank you. Let's continue. At its core, aging is the gradual decline of the body's ability to repair and renew itself. Every second, your body's cells are dividing, repairing tissues, and fighting damage. But each time they divide, small errors accumulate. These errors build up in your DNA, proteins, and mitochondria, the power plants of your cells. Over time, that damage slows down cell performance. Old cells stop dividing properly. This breakdown, multiplied across billions of cells, becomes visible as wrinkles, fatigue, memory loss, and all the other signs of aging. A key part of this process lies in your telomeres, the tiny caps at the ends of your chromosomes. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces that keep them from fraying. Every time your cells divide, those telomeres get shorter. When they become too short, the cell can't divide anymore. It becomes old or dies. Scientists call this the Hayflick limit, the built-in number of times a human cell can divide before it stops. Shorter telomeres mean older cells, and that's one of the fundamental reasons why we age. But that's not the only factor. Inside every cell, chemical reactions create energy and byproducts called free radicals. These unstable molecules bounce around, damaging DNA, fats, and proteins in a process called oxidative stress. When the body's repair systems can't keep up, this damage accumulates. It's like rust on metal, slow but relentless. That's why antioxidants found in foods like berries, green tea, and nuts are so important. They neutralize those free radicals before they cause harm. With age, your body's natural repair systems start to fail. Your immune system weakens, making infections harder to fight. Your metabolism slows, and your hormones, like growth hormone and estrogen, drop. Your cells also lose communication with one another, making it harder for tissues to heal. Even your mitochondria, once the engines of your cells, start to malfunction, producing less energy and more waste. All of this leads to one conclusion: the older we get, the more damage we accumulate, and the less we can recover. So why do some people look or feel younger than others their age? Genes play a part, but lifestyle has a huge impact. Healthy eating, sleep, stress control, and exercise can actually slow cellular aging. They help your body reduce inflammation, repair damage, and even maintain longer telomeres. That's why scientists studying people who live past 100, like those in Okinawa, Japan, find the same habits: light diets, strong social connections, and low stress. So can we ever stop aging? Not yet, but scientists are getting closer. Research into senolytic drugs aims to remove zombie cells that refuse to die but still cause damage. Other studies explore telomerase, the enzyme that rebuilds telomeres, or caloric restriction, which has shown to extend lifespan in animals. The ultimate goal isn't immortality, it's health span, living longer and staying younger, healthier, and sharper for most of it. Aging is nature's way of reminding us that time is precious. But understanding why we age helps us make the most of that time and maybe one day slow it down. If you found this video fascinating, hit the like button and subscribe to Atom of Curiosity, where science meets everyday life.